So guys, when it comes to foldable smartphones, Samsung is the king. The South Korean tech giant has already launched multiple foldable smartphones in the market. The original Galaxy Fold had some durability issues, but the Galaxy Z Fold 2 that went official in September arrived as a significant upgrade over the original Galaxy Fold. The outer and inner displays of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 offer larger screen space. Now, according to fresh information by theElec, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 could be Samsung's first phone to come with under-display camera technology. If this rumor turns out to be true, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will certainly offer users a full-screen experience. Samsung originally hoped to implement this in the Galaxy S21, but due to low production yield, the company had to abandon their plans. The Galaxy S21 will start mass production in November at the latest. This means that the on-screen camera technology will not be ready for this device. However, this technology is now scheduled to come with Samsung's next generation foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 3. The report also claims that the UDC technology was to arrive with the Galaxy Z Fold 2. However, the output wasn't enough at the time of its mass production. This is the same reason why it will not arrive with the Galaxy S21. It makes sense for the UDC technology to come with the Galaxy Z Fold 3. This is because the production units of foldable phones are not very high. Thus, producing enough units will not be a challenge relatively. Regarding Samsung's under-screen camera technology, theElec reports that Samsung plans to use a piece of laser equipment to achieve UDC. There are two types of HIA equipment, HIAA1 and HIAA2. While HIAA1 punches a hole on the screen in one shot, HIAA2 punches many micro holes. For Samsung, it is using the HIAA2 equipment to develop UDC technology. Apart from developing the UDC technology, the camera module must be a perfect fit. This means that there is also a lot of work to be done on the camera sensor itself. More such videos will be coming on our channel, so subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.